What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. We got Tim over here from TJ's Auto. Today we're only looking at one car. Boy, I need to focus on how I'm holding this camera, right? We're looking at one car today, which is something different. Normally when I'm out here, it's a Copart walk around, but I've had a car. I'm not going to go into the details really, but something has come up that has changed the way I do things. And it's not anything for you guys to worry about. It should be a seamless transition for you. In fact, most of you probably won't even notice, so I don't think it's going to be too big of a deal. But because of the way things have changed, I'm actually out here looking at something that I've seen here before, and I know for a fact it's been on a video out here before, but you guys probably don't remember it. This car has been here for months, and I'm thinking I may actually bite the bullet and buy this dang thing today. They're asking $500 for it, but something tells me, thanks to autoauctions.io, check out autoauctions.io, link in the description, guys. I've seen the previous sales of this car, and it's not good. Previous sales have been like $100, $125, $150. The highest I've seen is $200. So they're asking $500. I think if I offer them a fair $300, I think they're going to give it to me, and we'll have us a new car for the channel. It has no key, so the running condition is unknown, which makes it even more interesting. The key is like $25, and then getting it programmed, that's going to cost a little bit extra. But we got to find this car, and then we'll come back as soon as I locate it. It's buried out here somewhere because it has been here forever. We found it. It's not in as good a shape as I remember it being. This front bumper was not like this last time I saw it, but it is now. The bumper is hanging pretty good. You can see there's, doesn't look like there's a whole lot still holding the thing together there. Yeah, I didn't really give this car much of a look over before. The windshield is cracked. It's probably hard to see, but it's cracked all the way across. So we got a windshield that's no good. The tires actually look like they're in really good shape. This one is low, or maybe even flat. It's not quite flat, it's low, but the tires all look like they're in good shape. The interior is in pretty good shape. We've got a ding here in the back. There is no key, as I said earlier, so running condition is unknown. We got some speakers back here, though. Somebody put some speakers in the thing. They're Memphis car audio. So someone spent some money on the speakers, and you can see it had a tweeter right here, and there's a place where the tweeter used to be over there. I think we've also got some Memphis speakers in the front doors here as well. I would say that wasn't a professional install, but you know, it is what it is. Let's see, these are probably Memphis too. Yeah, Memphis car audio as well. There's the glove compartment. Nothing really interesting in there. The body of the car is actually in pretty good shape. We've got a ding here, a little bit of rust where it sideswiped something right there. Bumper may need replaced, or it might be salvageable. I don't really know. But there she is, a 99 GS400 with no key, running condition completely unknown, and it's $500, but I think we can get it with a $300 bid. I think. Pretty sure we could get it for a $300 bid. Now somebody's been up under here playing with stuff. I don't know what's been going on under there, but honestly, I think if we could get a key cut for it, it would probably be all right. Now I've already checked the fluids that I could check anyway, and everything looks pretty promising. Where is the dang? There it is. I looked at the belt closely. The belt actually looks like it's new. Now, I know there's spider webs under here, but it's got a cold air intake, and that's the important thing. The battery is obviously dead. Take a look inside the motor here, see what we can see, and there's not a lot of buildup on the cap. It actually looks to be in pretty good shape. Now, I think this engine has somewhere in the neighborhood of 240,000 miles. I ran a Carfax on it, and that's what it came up with. Last known at about 240,000. That's a lot of miles. The oil looks good. The oil pan does have a ding in it, but it's not leaking, and it's full of oil. So that's good. It's full of brake fluid. It's full of coolant. In fact, the coolant looks spectacular. Look at that. You probably can't even see in there, but it's a nice orange color. So, I mean, overall, everything looks good. And then I went to check the transmission fluid, and lo and behold, the dipstick, which is supposed to be right there, the dipstick is gone. Now, everything else appears to be here. I don't see anything that shows me that it's got a major oil leak of any kind. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I'm going to need you to comment below and tell me what you think, because I am really tempted to get this car. What is this? Some kind of a... oh, that's a... Wow. That is a Stinger?
Multi-battery insulator.
Multi-battery isolator. Okay, so they must have had another battery to this in the trunk, I guess. Good night. They must have had a real serious system in this. Like, I was kind of laughing earlier, but then I saw the speaker said Memphis Audio, and I was like, all right, they put some money into it. They were serious about this. So, I don't know, man. I don't know. It's a risk, but I think at $300, you know, I think with Copart fees and everything, you're looking at about $500 out the door. The key is about $25. I don't know how much it's going to cost to go to a Toyota dealership and have it programmed. I would guess about $100. So you're probably looking at about $125 for a key. And of course, you know, we got the windshield, and there's going to be other things here and there, figuring out this bumper, and there may be some interior pieces we need to replace, like putting a car stereo in it, for example. But this thing could potentially fire up, run and drive with a key, or we could find out that the reason it's here is because it's a car with bad transmission. That would be my guess. If I had to guess, I would say to you before I even think about buying it that I know that there is a very good possibility this car has a bad transmission. It's got a lot of miles on it. It's missing the transmission dipstick. That's a clue. All right, guys. So of course it's a risky car, but at the same time, that's kind of what we do over here. We take risks on these things, right? So comment below. Tell me what you think of the 99 Lexus GS400. And the paint's not good on it either, man. Like, it's just, overall, she's pretty rough. No doubt about that. But if we can get it for $500 out the door with fees and everything, it may be worth it. You know, somebody would buy this car. Heck, maybe even send it down to Mako and get a paint job on it or something. You know, a paint job would really bring this thing back to life. Get some fresh silver paint on it. Get the bumper fixed. It'll look really good. So comment below and tell me what you think. For now, I'm going to get out of here, though, because I got some thinking to do on this. And big shout out to Tim from TJ's Auto. Go check him out on YouTube. Appreciate him coming out here with me. I appreciate Copart for allowing me to come out here. This is actually a restricted area. We're not even supposed to be here, but they were real cool and let me come out here today because we're only looking at this one car and we don't ever come out to the restricted areas anyway. And I mean, there's no key or anything, so it's not like we're going to steal the key or anything like that. So they're good people here at the local Copart yard and corporate office. I appreciate them totally for letting me come out here. Thank you to all of you for watching. Give the video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed the content. Do me a favor, hit that like button, leave that comment below. Follow me on Instagram, Auto Auction Rebuilds. And until next time, I will see you very soon in the next one.